I'm seeing someone smiling. You look so happy. May nag-brighten up ba ng day mo? May nag-lighten ba ng mood mo? Okay, I'm seeing cellphone na ilaw. So it looks like here you receive here a notification, might be a message here. Kaya ka pangiti-ngiti dyan. Who is this person here? Let me see. Pero I will be honest parang iba yung nafe-feel ko sa kausap mo. Let me see. Basag trip ka naman, miss yan. At least nagpapakatotoo lang. Siyempre gusto ko maging happy ka, no? Pero alamin natin na bakit gano'n, okay? Bakit gano'n? Ano yun? Hindi puwedeng, iwanan natin yon ng questionable, 'di ba? Okay, let's go. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the army of angel guardians of my collective people. Let us see what is this all about. This shows right here that you are someone na nagbibigay ng too much importance sa mga special na araw kagaya ng birthday mo, no? Yung parang importante yun sa'yo. Maybe you are a sentimental na tao, okay? So it looks like, no, mahalaga sa'yo yung mga like magkakasama dapat yung family sa Pasko or sa New Year or i-celebrate kahit papaano ang birthday. Does it have to be, grandioso or grandiosa yung celebration basta parang this is you, you value yung mga mahahalagang dates, no? So it looks like that you are someone here, no, na yeah, very loving and at the same time, no, eto ka na pinakahalagahan mo yung mga importanteng araw na hindi ka nakakalimot kapag ka ganyan, 'no? And it looks like this is something here na parang pinaplano mo. We have here the Eight of Fire, Messenger of Water, and the Ace of Air. So with the water right in here, no, it looks like meron ka ditong nakakausap and you're showing a lot of passion. Maaring may nakilala ka, no, at nagkakaroon kayo rito ng magandang pag-uusap, palitan ng mga mensahe, no, and mukhang meron ka ditong importanteng anunsyo, 'no. So, I do pick up na maaaring itapat mo yung important or special announcement na yon sa isa sa mahalagang, date para sa'yo, 'no. So, kung ano man 'yan, puwedeng sa birthday mo itatapat mo 'yan, puwede naman, 'no, sa special na number or araw, 'no. Like yung iba puwedeng, nangyari na ito 'no, so yung iba puwedeng itinapat ito 'no, sa araw ng Valentine's Day 'no. Pero yun nga 'no, marami rito ang balak itapat ito sa isang special na araw 'no or, yung iba hindi naman special na araw 'no, parang special na number para sa'yo, okey? So let me continue ha, pero I don't know, I'm feeling a different, energy dito 'no. Actually, I don't like it, hmm. Love, energy, two of water. Oh, okay. Meron ka ritong balak sagutin or balak mo na maging kayo sa special araw na ito. Pwedeng birthday mo or yung special na number para sa'yo, dun mo itatapat yun, no? So whatever the case may be, just take only what resonates here. We have here the Four of Air energy. Four of Water. Let me see, center of the reading, Moon. There's something here that you probably do not know. I told you guys, I don't like the energy. Now we have the Three of Air right in here. Seven of Air. Five of Water. Eight of Air, Chariot. Yeah. Bottom of the deck. Eight of Water energy. Chariot and the Eight of Air. Yeah. Hachima. Hachimalaku. 이거 마음이 아파. 너무 아파. Yeah, wag. Wag mo siyang sagutin sa special na araw or sa special number na yon. Okay? Because it will hurt your heart. It will hurt your feelings, no? At yung special na araw na yon ay hindi niya deserve. Mababahiran lamang ng mapait na alaala yung number na importante at special sa'yo. Okay? So, wag mo itapat because this person do not deserve that. Okay? So, kung itatapat mo yung sasagutin mo siya sa araw ng birthday mo or whatever, no, magkakaroon ng hindi magandang memories yung supposedly happy memories kasi birthday mo, if birthday mo balak sagutin or balak mo maging kayo ng taong ito, no, or kung yung special na numero na yun, hindi mo na yun magagamit, no, dahil hindi mo na yun magiging favorite because of this person here, no, bakit miss yan? Tama ba yung niisip ko? Isa ba siyang player type of energy? Yeah, this person here, okay, I'm seeing you that this person will ghost you. Bigla na lang siya maglalaho, mawawala, no? This person here will ghost you. Yeah, bakit ang dami, no? Na napansaram, no? Bad person dito, no? Yeah. So, bago natin simulan ang reading na ito na pag-usapan pa more deeply, no? Batiin na natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. Happy Lunar New Year everyone. No, kahit hindi nakaka-happy tong reading na ito. Hi and hello there sa ating mga bagong subscribers. My name is Yan, returning buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support from me. At kung hindi mo pa alam, no, mayroon pa po tayong other channel link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta po kayo doon. Araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yung natin gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit yan. So, general reading ito. At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. Timeless tayo dito Yung iba nangyari na, yung iba nangyayari na dito, yung iba mangyayari pa lang, no? But for a lot of you, marami yung hindi pa to nangyayari. Okay? So please, just take only what resonates. Okay? So sa nakikita ko dito, this is something here continuously nangyayari at mukhang nahuhulog na ang loob mo sa kanya. I do pick up that your emotions ay already swayed by this person here, especially magaling rin siya sa words and communication with this, okay? Ace of Swords energy. So it looks like this person right in here, no, ay lumalabas bilang bagong kakilala, bagong kakonect mo dito, no? So you started to feel comfortable sa tao na ito, no? Because this person ay showing efforts, nakikipag-usap talaga siya sa'yo. This person here ay replying talaga, hindi yung nararamdaman mo na tamad yung reply niya. Talagang ramdam mo rito na talagang interesado siya sa'yo, no? So, because of that, nahulog yung loob mo sa kanya, no? And nakita ko rito na may pinaplano ka ritong importante na anunsyo or announcement with the Two of Water energy, and that is specifically kung kailan magiging officialing kayo, no? Pero wag. You're just wasting your time. There's something here that you do not know with the moon, and I don't like it that this is Four of Water energy, wasting your time. This is something here, unhealthy opportunity. So, pag-isipan mo pang mabuti. Four of Air energy. You need to observe here not just your own feelings, honey, no? Pero yung mga nanonotice mo na mga bagay-bagay, no? Kagaya ng pakiramdam na pwedeng hindi pa ganun ka-satisfied, no? Or parang feeling mo there's something here hidden agenda, then don't ignore it because yun yung sinasabi rin ng moon energy. Okay, sometimes the answer lies, no, sa ating surroundings, no. This person here could be showing you that he or she nagpapakita ng effort, that he or she ay definitely, yeah, It's true. This person's really interested in you. But this person here is someone na hindi nagpapakita ng pangmatagalan. This person here ay nandito lamang for fun. Three of air energy. This person here will just hurt your heart emotionally. Okay? So, I do see that this person here ay someone na bigla na lang ritong mawawala and you will ask yourself why. You will try to find the answer here, no? At magaling siya ritong mag-twist and turn. Okay? Magaling siya ritong mambaliktad. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, Eight of Water, this person will end up ghost you. Igo-ghost ka nito, no? So, I do pick up that this person here is someone dito, no, na nasway yung feelings and emotions mo. But this person here, yung mga sinasabi niya, okay, 75% of those ay all lies. So, whoever this energy is, yeah, it might be sad hearing this, yeah. But I need to tell this to you. Because sometimes, kaya nga nabuo, no, yung kasabihan na love is blind. Because someone who's in love ay natatakpan, no, yung spot, no, may blind spot talaga when it comes to love, no. Not everything that you see is true. Not every action that you witness ay true. Okay, sometimes you need to listen. Okay, to your inner thoughts and feelings. Sometimes you need to listen to your intuition to spot kung sino talaga yung tunay na nagpapakita, no, ng mabuti at purong intensyon. You are a very loving individual at yung pagtapat mo ng pagsagot sa tao na yan, sa birthday mo, anniversary mo, no, because you're looking and searching for the right one. I do see that. Okay? I'm seeing the Queen of Hearts in my vision right now. So definitely you are that kind of person. Wala tayong gender dito ba lalaki LGBT ha? But you are that kind of person, no? And you, deserve yung tao talaga, no, na deserve yung spot na yun sa life mo. Deserve yung araw na yun, no, na i-celebrate mo, no, kasama yung tao na yun at hindi dudungisan at babahiran ng pangit or mapait na alaala yung importanteng numero sa buhay mo or yung importanteng okasyon or date sa buhay mo. Okay? And this person is not that person. This person is just wasting your time. This person here is not your true person here. This person is a liar. This person here will ghost you. This person here, yeah, in other term, will abandon you. This person here will left you heartbroken right here. No, see? Chariot and the Eight of Water. Mabilis lang tong mawawala. Eh, 'pag simula ng sinagot mo 'yan or sagutin mo 'yan mga babes 'no, okey, hindi magtatagal yung kanya rito 'no, na pagiging ganyan na very giving sa situation 'no, dahil tatakbo ito. This person here is afraid of responsibilities. This person here is someone who really do not accept what love really is. This person here is someone who's cheating, lying dito, no? So this person is avoiding the emotional stability, no? So I do pick up that whoever this energy is, this person is not suited for you, babe. This person will just hurt you. This person here do not deserve your feelings, do not deserve everything that you're giving to him or her. This person here is not the person you're meant to be with. So, stop wasting your time dito sa tao na to. Not everybody showing kindness ay totoo sa kanilang mga sinasabi. Okay? Learn to spot it by yourself. Okay? Your intuition is your gift, your guide. Okay? Para hindi ka rito mamala ng pathway or direction. Okay? So, initials na tayo. We have here capital letter I, capital letter F, capital letter T, and capital letter R. We also have here capital letter S, capital letter A, and capital letter G. And for the other letters, we have here E For letter E might be more than one letter E. We also have here letter C, and dito rin ang letter S, small letter. And last but not the least, we've got small letter G. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you guys. Again, I'm Yuriana Ani. Sana ngayong love and light, honey. Annyeong.